Hi, my name's Simon from Motordrome, and today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this 1966 Land Rover Series 2A 88-inch petrol soft top that you can see lurking behind me. One walk around video, one driving video, plus a bit of engine running action at the end. Hope you like the videos. Okay, let's take this 1966 Land Rover Series 2A 88-inch petrol soft top. For spins showing just under 63,000 miles. Obviously we've got no idea of whether that's right or wrong, but it certainly is a period correct engine. It may be the original engine. Certainly its prefix is that which would be right for the year, shall we say. So switch on, all light ignition light come up properly. Where's the start button gone? There we are. Starts nicely. Let's wait for this cyclist. Engine sounds pretty sweet on this one. Possibly a slight blow from the exhaust manifold. It's very, very minor, but I can just sort of hear a slight chirping occasionally from the exhaust, so it's possibly got a slight manifold blow. You can't see it. Yeah. No signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. Whilst there's no temperature gauge, you can tell when these are getting too hot because they tink badly. Ride quality is not bad considering it's on leaf springs. Not too crashy. .600/16 tyres are a little bit noisy on the road though, because they are quite an aggressive tread pattern. It certainly steers nice. I'm not having to fight it down the road. It's going where it's placed. No funny noises from the gearbox or the drivetrain or anything. My foot off the front of the shaft here, there's no backlash in the transmission. Along. Speedo works, as does the fuel gauge, as does the ammeter. Works very well for a series. Like on the braking in a minute. cleanly, not pulling to one side or anything. Brakes well actually. Actually, I'll just angle this downwards a bit because I want to check that the high and low work. I don't know if you'll be able to see that. It's, red lever moves in and out as it should. Yeah, works fine. Into low ratio, and then yeah, the yellow lever pushes down and comes up again when you move the red lever back and forth, so that's all fine. So there we have it. My name's Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495. We can go to our website, which is www.moto-drone.com for any more info. And there we have it. Okay, quick video of starting up and running on this 1966 2.25 Land Rover. We just start the button. There we go. And then under the bonnet. It's got a Weber carb conversion. Slightly noisy water pump on it, I think. Possibly the dynamo. But aside from that, the engine itself seems to be in fine fettle. There we have it.